Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can add a blank screen to your video clips on CapCut. So let's get right into it. So what you want to do, guys, is, for example, start by adding your first video clip to your project by placing it on your video track here below. After that, add a second video clip just like that. So what I would like to do, guys, is to leave a blank space or free space between these two clips. So to do that, simply click on that icon here above your video track to turn off the main track magnet just like that. With that feature turned off, you're now able to select your second video clip and to move it here to the right on your timeline just like that, so that it doesn't snap automatically to the first video clip. So let me leave a space of, let's say, 3 seconds between video clip 1 and video clip 2. And there you go. If I play that video in the preview mode, we will see that between these two videos, there is a blank screen just like that. And that's all the magic behind this, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.